Many students say one sentence again and again. I understand English, but I cannot speak English. If you also feel the same, this video is for you. Because today I will tell you something very important. English is not difficult. Your fear is difficult. And once you remove that fear, speaking English becomes simple. Most learners think their problem is grammar. Some think their problem is vocabulary. But actually, the biggest problem is hesitation. You are not afraid of English. You are afraid of making mistakes. And because of that fear, you stop speaking. But remember this, if you don't speak, you cannot improve. Fluency does not come in one day. Fluency comes from small daily practice. If you speak only 5 sentences daily, your confidence will change in 1 month. If you learn 5 new words daily, your vocabulary will improve automatically. If you practice listening daily, your understanding will become faster. English improves step by step, not suddenly. Many students say, I will start speaking English when my grammar becomes perfect. But this is the biggest mistake. Nobody starts with perfect English. Everybody starts with broken English. Even fluent speakers started like beginners. So don't wait for perfect English. Start with simple English. Learning English is like training your brain. The more you practice, the faster your brain responds. At first, you translate from Hindi to English. Later, your brain starts thinking directly in English. And that is the moment when fluency begins. But this happens only with practice. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes after speaking. So if you are waiting to feel confident first, you will wait forever. Instead, start speaking today, even if your sentences are small, even if they are not perfect. Because confidence grows with action, not with waiting. Remember one thing, you don't need perfect English. You need daily English. Speak a little every day. Learn a little every day. Improve a little every day. And one day, you will realize something amazing. English was never difficult. You just needed consistency. Start today, not tomorrow.